Why do volcanoes erupt? Max had always wondered why volcanoes erupt. One day, he decided to explore a volcano to find out.
Wow, this volcano looks huge. But why does it erupt with fire and smoke?
Suddenly, lava, the friendly spirit, appeared to explain.
Hi, Max. I'm Lava, the spirit of volcanoes. Let me tell you the secret of why volcanoes erupt.
Lava explained that deep inside the earth, there is molten rock called magma.
Inside me, there's magma, super hot, melted rock that moves and bubbles like soup.
Lava explained that pressure builds up because magma wants to escape to the surface.
The pressure inside grows so strong that magma rises up, trying to find a way out.
When the magma finally escapes, it bursts out of the volcano as lava, ash, and smoke.
And boom! That's when magma erupts as lava, ash, and smoke. It's quite a fiery show.
Lava explained that eruptions help release pressure from inside the earth.
Eruptions are nature's way of letting off steam, literally. It keeps the earth balanced.
After the eruption, lava cools and hardens to form new land or rocks.
When I cool down, I become solid rock. That's how islands and mountains are born.
Lava waved goodbye, reminding Max to respect the power of volcanoes.
Goodbye, Max. Volcanoes are powerful but amazing. Always explore safely.
Max learned that volcanoes erupt because of the magma and pressure inside the earth.
Now I know. Volcanoes erupt because they're full of fiery energy. Thanks, Lava.